Hello my good people, hope you're doing well. It's a favorite girl here, Treza. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my new subscribers, karibuni sana. And to my returning subscribers, welcome and feel at home. And for those who have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe on my channel, Treza Official. Mimi na Treza Mwangi tuko hivi like, lakini when my channel ilikuwa inajiita Treza Official but right Treza Mwangi, but right now inajiita Treza Official. So guys, msisahau kusubscribe, kulike, kushare and comment on my channel. Okay, before we continue with our video, let's do what do you call, let's apply this. Nasikia kuzikatia juu inakaa mrebo. Anyway guys, hope you're doing well kwa sababu on my side I'm doing fantastic, I'm doing nice, I'm doing yo hata sijui naambiaje. Baby kwetu kunanyesha. Ya sijui kama kwenu kunanyesha cause kwetu it's raining. Okay? So guys, as usual, niliambia I'll be showing you my outfit, my daily outfits, and yo, let's do it, okay? But before tufanye, wacha tukunywe chai kidogo. Hii baridi nataka tu chai juu sasa tutadu. So guys, let me show you outfit ya leo, okay? Stay tuned. So today's outfit nakaa hivi. It's a dress, a long dress. Yeah. So ndio outfit yetu ya leo. Chani songe nyuma ndio. Kama mniambia nisipigwe na shock. So, ndio outfit yetu ya leo. Msisahau kusubscribe, kulike, kushare, comment on my videos. Treza Official. YouTube najiita Treza Official, TikTok Treza Mwangi, FB Treza Mwangi. Okay? And don't forget to turn on notification button so that anytime I will be uploading my videos, you will be notified. Okay? See the next video. Nikionyesha tu nini outfit ya kesho, okay? But today's outfit I like the dress. Kuna nimeanza kuwa mawe, you know. Anyway guys, see the next video.